Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are having a good day and enjoying the day. It's cloudy, it's nice, it rained. I'm enjoying the weather actually, so it's good to have a good weather like this. And tomorrow will be the July 4th, and it's again a weekend holiday, and it'll be great to have time with the family and plan to go out somewhere, go on a hike or anywhere. So today friends, I'll tell you some good things about raw milk. This is just 2 spoons of raw milk. You can just take little cotton and rub it on your face, and it'll clean away your face. It'll remove all your impurities. It has good vitamins, and it has vitamin D actually, and it'll give a good glow to your face. With this you can just add some honey. I took some clover honey. Just see that the honey doesn't have too much of sugars. I just take a bit of it. So, what are you guys planning to do for tomorrow? Comment and let me know. I don't take much honey, but I'll take a little honey where it'll just, and honey has the sticky properties. So, I just took quarter spoon of it. I mix it. I took little honey, and then guys, if you have, I'll tell you about rose water. Rose water also, you can just make this rose water at home also. If you have dried rose, just put it in little water, boil it, and strain it. You'll get your own rose water. And if it is pink flowers and red flowers, even much better. But this is just plain water, but it is rose water, but it's distilled already because I purchased it. So I just take this also. I add it with the milk. So here is my honey. Honey didn't get dissolved, but no problem. It will get dissolved once I stir it. I just take 2-3 drops of rose water. Then it's smelling so good. So this is glycerin, guys. If you can find glycerin, just add a bit of glycerin also. So glycerin will remove again all the impurities. I just take a bit because it is thick, and it will be thick, and it is having little oil formation in it. So glycerin is also very good. And if you have some almond oil, here's some almond oil which I bought from some store, I don't remember. So just take 1 or 2 drops of almond oil. So just not much because it is oily. Just 1 or 2 drops. So here is 1 or 2 drops. It'll just hold your this one. Hold it on your face. And guys, I have grinded some rice powder. Just take some raw rice and grind it, and it will give you a good consistency. Here is the rice, just a half spoon of rice powder. You can grind rice at home itself, and you know which rice you have, and it's good. Then I'll tell you something about turmeric. I just took a little turmeric too, so that, and turmeric has the antioxidants. It's good to even drink it. And here is turmeric and ground turmeric. I use this in my food, and it's good, healthy actually, antioxidants and things. So it helps you in removing the unwanted hair from your face. So haldi, it's called haldi in India. So I'm from India and I use this a lot. Here is my mixture. I stir it and show you. It's already turning yellow. So here it is. Just apply it on your face. Looks like my consistency is a little slimmer, so I'll be adding little more of rice flour. And one more thing, if you have chickpea flour, that's even better because it always helps in moisturizing your face and all. So it's good thing too. You can make this and store it even in an ice cube tray and use it whenever you want. Use it with the help of a cotton on your face. When you come to your face, just take the cotton and rub it like this and like this. And when you are using it from down, just use it in an upward position because you don't want your skin to hang down. So I have some chickpea flour. So I'll be using some chickpea flour also. So I'll use my hand. So here is the chickpea flour. I hope you can see here. So this will give it a big thick this one. Make it good. Stir it all over again. I take some more because my milk is little slim. I took just a fat-free milk, but it should be raw. Just stir it and use it. There should be no lumps in it. So it's very good. It became like almost like a smoothie form. So I can hear a siren. I think some ambulance. Hope that person is doing well. So here it is. I mix it with my hand and the form has become like this. So it will help you in your face glow and all the impurities coming out from your face. You can really see it well. See, I'll apply you and show you. Just take like this. Just apply upward. Just go like this. You can actually use a scoop, but I don't have a scoop of here. So, and the remaining, if it is remaining, you can always freeze it. So this is a good home remedy to. And once you apply this, it will dry off in another 15 or 20 minutes. Just wash it with normal water. Let the water not be too hot or too cold. Otherwise the skin removes its elasticity. The elasticity is completely lost. So all this is Indian home remedies which I'm trying to tell you. It's excellent for any age group, like from 7-8 years of age. You can start using on girls, boys, guys, girls. Everybody can use it. So you don't have to think that this is only a girly product or an boy product. Anybody can use it. Till 90-year-old woman, 100-year-old man and a woman can use it. So this is how you apply. And just wash it after 10 or 15 minutes. You'll have a glow and you'll know how to clean your face without going to the expensive spas and all, which they can charge you around $200 too. So this is very good. And if you guys need to ask me something, please comment and ask. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. So just apply on your neck. You can apply all over on your body also. So this is such a good product. I think after washing my face, I'll show you the end result also. So I'm just telling you how you should apply all over your face. Once it's dried, I'll show you the result also. So it's very good. And all the things are just eating products, so it doesn't you can even lick sometimes if you feel like, but don't lick it because it's raw. So I'm just telling you, if it goes into your mouth, nothing to worry about. So it's such a good thing. Raw milk, rice powder, rose water, honey. Don't forget your nose. Just apply it and let it dry, friends. So here I am. I finish applying it to my whole face. And you don't need any fancy things for this. You can use your own hands and fingers, and you can give a little massage also while doing this, so it's good. Just massage. And when you have the time and this one, you can relax, lie down, put 2 slices of cucumber on your eyes. You can even use potatoes. Just cut the raw potato, put it on your eyes. And raw potatoes again are very good to bleach your face and all, because that also removes the dirt and all the impurities from the skin. It's a good product. So see friends, I washed my face after applying that face mask, and see how my skin is glowing. It's become so soft also. I just washed it with the normal plain water. It was neither too hot or too cold. So here it looks. See, my neck has also been clear and face is glowing. So this is how friends use this product. It's very good for your skin. It removes all the dirt from your face. It's excellent mask. You don't have to go to the parlors. You'll thank your skin. Your skin will thank you actually, saying that, oh, this is so good because it had milk, it had rice flour, chickpea flour, honey, rose water, glycerin. Try this friends. It's really excellent. You'll feel so fresh and good. So that's all. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and let me know on which more topics, what other topics you would like to know, things about Indian remedies, Indian home products. So I've been using all the home products from a very long time. It's been multiple years since I'm using all this, so it helps. And once you feel that your face is really dried well, you can use some aloe vera gel. So I bought this from Amazon or Walmart, I'm not sure. I did an online purchase, and this is the aloe vera which it looks, and it's clean and clear. So just take it. Just take a bit of it. You don't need a lot. So just apply a little bit on your face. Your skin, it'll just absorb. Just rub it all over where and all you had applied that mask. It is so good. Your face will be so thankful, and it's feeling so fresh. Just when you come to your neck, just go upward. Don't take your hands down and don't go this way. Instead, come upwards, because you don't want a loose skin. You need your skin to be really good and flexible and very good. Just tap once or twice like this. Just keep doing this massage for 2 or 3 minutes on your face. Your face will feel so fresh and you'll really feel good. Excellent. Okay friends, see y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a new product and new thing. Bye bye friends. Have a good night. And please subscribe to my channel, and like it, share it, comment it again. Archie Chowdhury here, signing off. Bye friends. Love you guys.